North Pole Emergency Services.
I have bad news. I just hit an old lady with Santa's truck. I mean, it's okay. She's gonna be all right. I have a little bit of Santa's magic left. She'll be as strong as the abominable snowman any second.
Well, I guess that's good. But is the truck safe to drive?
If it's leaking fluids, is that bad?
Yeah. Yeah, that's very bad. Very bad. You need to get that taken care of now.
Well, I could see Smail Collision Center down the street. I could just pull the truck there myself.
Oh. But the insurance company's saying that they're not in their network. They want us to go somewhere else.
Why?
Oh, poppycock, they're fibbing. You choose where you take it, whether in network or not.
Smail is certified in 14 different brands. Come on, I'll help you pull it.
Okay.
You decide where to have your vehicle repaired, not the insurance company.
From your dear friends at Smail Collision Center.
I can't wait to tell my grandkids I got ran over by a reindeer.
I will give you both a PlayStation and an Xbox if you don't tell them that.